there's two parts to this exercise. There's a squat and the push-up, obviously. So number one, you line up your feet, hip, knee, ankle all lined up because we're going to hit a squat. Chest up. Go ahead, hit the squat. Now, you're going to put your hands down to get in push-up position. When you put your hands down to get in push-up position, make sure you line up your hands to the center of your chest. Okay? Now move your feet back. She's going to hit the push-up, shoulders down. Beautiful push, neck is straight. Now, you're going to bring your knees inward and a little wide. Keep them wide so you get back into the squat position. Now, chest up, you're going to come up and hit a squat with a jump. Beautiful. Now go ahead and do that a few more times, and I'm going to illustrate some things. Here we go. Chest up. She's going to bend forward, put the hands in push-up position. Boom, down, up, jump. Good. You want to breathe in while you're going down and then blow out as you're coming up, okay? But do it as you're comfortable because there's a lot of parts to this exercise. Now she'll show you a few more times nice and quick.